Welcome to Alpha Review, your ultimate guide to the latest innovations and in-depth analyses of products that redefine convenience and style. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating vehicle that blurs the lines between a traditional camper van and a nimble, city-friendly ride, the Wiz Sea Native, a compact three-wheeled RV that's poised to revolutionize personal mobility and adventurous travel. From the moment you lay eyes on the Wiz Sea Native, its design immediately captures your attention. It's a whimsical yet highly functional blend of a scooter's front end and a miniature RV's rear. The gleaming white exterior, accented with elegant gold trim, gives it a sophisticated and almost futuristic appeal. The large, rounded windshield and prominent circular headlights at the front hint at its agile nature, while the robust rear section promises comfort and utility. It's a design that's both endearing and practical, challenging preconceived notions of what an RV can be. The single front wheel, characteristic of a trike, provides a unique driving experience. This design choice isn't merely for aesthetics, it significantly enhances maneuverability, allowing the Wiz Sea Native to navigate narrow city streets and tight parking spaces with an ease that larger RVs can only dream of. Imagine cruising through charming European villages or bustling Asian markets, where a full-sized camper would be an immediate impediment. The Wiz Sea Native excels in these scenarios, offering unparalleled access to destinations often out of reach for traditional RVs. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The driver's seat, upholstered in a comfortable beige fabric, is ergonomically placed, offering excellent visibility and easy access to controls. The large side opening allows for effortless entry and exit, a boon in tight spots. The Wiz Sea Native branding proudly displayed on the front panel beneath the windshield adds a. As we move beyond the initial visual appeal, let's talk about the transformation we've seen. We initially showcased the Wiz Sea Native in its pristine white, a classic and clean look. But the beauty of such a design often lies in its versatility. We then explored a vibrant blue, which instantly imbued the vehicle with a sense of energetic fun, perfect for coastal adventures or those who simply love to make a statement. The blue, with its metallic sheen, highlighted the vehicle's modern curves and dynamic lines. Following that, we shifted to a rich, warm brown. This color choice gave the Wiz Sea Native a more rugged, earthy, and sophisticated character, perhaps appealing to those who envision it blending seamlessly into natural landscapes during their camping trips. Each color change revealed a different facet of its personality, demonstrating how a simple aesthetic alteration can completely redefine the vehicle's perceived purpose and appeal. Rotating the vehicle to view its rear side unveiled another layer of its practical design. The back is sleek and uncluttered, maintaining the same smooth, rounded lines as the front. The large rear window is not just for aesthetics. It's a crucial element for natural light inside the living space and offers scenic views from the comfort of the dinette. The integrated taillights are neatly flush with the body, contributing to its streamlined appearance. Below the window, a subtle indentation for the license plate area and discreetly placed reflectors complete the rear fascia. This perspective truly highlights how every inch of the Wiz Sea Native is utilized efficiently, minimizing bulk while maximizing utility. The brown color, from this angle, gave it a robust, almost expedition-ready look, cementing its image as a capable companion for diverse journeys. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Wiz Sea Native, its interior. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming a compact trike into a fully functional home on wheels. On one side, you have a well-equipped kitchenette. This isn't just a token gesture, it's a practical space designed for preparing real meals on the go. It features a compact sink with a sleek faucet, perfect for washing up after a meal or simply filling a water bottle. Adjacent to the sink, a two-burner cooktop allows for proper cooking, not just reheating. Underneath the counter, clever storage solutions are integrated, likely including a small refrigerator and drawers for utensils and pantry items. The lightwood cabinetry extends overhead, providing additional storage for dry goods and essentials, all illuminated by subtle LED strip lighting that runs along the length of the ceiling. This thoughtful lighting not only enhances visibility but also contributes to the cozy ambience, making the space feel larger and more inviting, especially in the evenings. Opposite the kitchenette, the dinette area serves as both a dining space and a lounge. It features comfortable bench seating, upholstered in a durable, easy-to-clean fabric that complements the wood tones. A compact yet sturdy table is centrally located, perfect for enjoying meals, working on a laptop, or simply relaxing with a book. The large windows on both sides of the living area are